Welcome to the Tech News Fix It channel. And one of the interesting things that might happen in a couple of months, actually at the end of March, is that some of you might actually get a big surprise. And that surprise would come in the form of the Google Messages app stopped working. And why? So if you have tablets or phones that aren't officially, I would say all the Google services that they use are not official. What I mean by that is that there are tablets out there that you buy that kind of tweak the system to have the different Google services working, but in reality, Google is not technically allowing these devices to really use it. And there's a lot of those devices out there. I mean, if you have weird Chinese-made phones or tablets, it's possible that you might have that type of issue. So what's happening is that Google is actually looking at devices that technically should not be running their own Google services because they're not approved devices, if you want. Well, one of the things we learned is that by March 31st, the Google Messages app, which is the text messaging app that a lot of people use, is going to stop working possibly on any device where the Google services are not approved to work on. So if you have one of those weird devices that uses the Google services, it's possible that this is going to happen. Now, also, and there's no confirmation from Google, but it's written in the code that could be happening. And of course, that also means that if you do have, weird branded devices that run Android, make sure that you check things correctly, because if that is one of the things that happens, it's not impossible that actually Google may try to shut down some other types of services that you might be using, including a lot of these devices have a kind of a tweak to have the Google Play Store work. But in reality, once again, they're not approved. So, anything can happen, and it's not impossible that they could stop working at any time. This is why you should buy, good brands of tablets that have the official approved versions of these services for Google. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.